Aloha! Welcome back to Om Shanti Breathwork. My name is Laveda, and today we are doing a deep dive into my favorite balancing breathwork exercise, Nadi Shodhana. So we'll just be practicing this for the duration of the class today. Super simple, super easy, and feels so good. So find yourself a comfortable place to sit cross-legged or in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Closing down the eyes, settling your awareness into this present moment. Now reaching your arms up and over your head, gathering positive energy. Bring your palms to touch and down through center to your heart in Anjali Mudra. Take a deep inhale to chant one Om. Om. Breathe in peace, love, gratitude. Exhale, sigh out your mouth any stress, tension, or fear. Let it all go. Beautiful. Now bring your left hand into Gyan Mudra, index and thumb touching, palm facing up or down on top of your knee. Bring your right hand into Vishnu Mudra, index and middle finger come into the center of your palm. Use your thumb to close your right nostril and your ring finger to close your left nostril. Use both fingers to close down both nostrils on the holds to engage Jalandhara Bandha, throat lock, and Mula Bandha, root lock. The pattern goes: inhale through the left for 8, hold for 4, exhale right for 8, inhale right for 8, hold for 4, exhale left for 8. That counts as one round. Ready? Okay. Let's begin. Exhale everything out of the body and inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold chin to chest, Jalandhara Bandha and Mula Bandha. Exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold chin to chest. 3, 4. Exhale left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale left. Filling up the body with fresh oxygen. And hold. Create a container for the prana. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Slowly control the flow of your breath. Use Ujjayi sound if you like. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left, drawing prana through the Ida channel, left side, feminine energy, and hold. Exhale right. Inhale right through Pingala, masculine energy, and hold, creating a container for the prana to balance in the body. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. And hold. Feel yourself fully expanded with breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. Inhale left. Keep going. Breathe through any discomfort. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold, noticing any sensations in the body. Exhale left. Inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Engage Mula Bandha. Exhale left. Inhale left, low belly, lungs, crown of the head, and hold. Exhale right. Inhale right, low belly, lungs, crown of the head, hold. Exhale left. Last round, inhale left. Hold. Exhale right. Inhale right. Hold. Exhale left. And release. Well done. Close down your eyes for a moment and just notice any sensations in the body, becoming the observer. Join me in a few moments of silent meditation. Noticing the effects of your practice acknowledging the benefits and opening your eyes gently. Let's close down our practice. Reach your arms up and over, gathering positive energy. Bring your palms to touch and down through center to your heart in Anjali Mudra. Take a deep inhale to chant 1 Om and 3 Shantis. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please subscribe to the channel to help it grow. Leave a comment. I love reading what you guys have to say and about what you think of these videos. Like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.